Let's now talk about solving cubic equations using our graphical display calculator. The general form for a cubic equation is ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d is equal to 0. The first thing we have to do, we have to rearrange in general form the second thing, we will be using our graphical display calculator to solve. Let's have an example now. The example says use your graphical display calculator to solve the following equation. I have a cubic equation because the highest power is 3 for the x. The first thing I have to do is I need to rearrange it. In general form, I take the minus 5x minus 12 to the left-hand side. So it becomes x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x plus 12 is equal to the 0. Now, in order to solve, I use my graphical display calculator. So I go to menu, equation, exit back, exit. I go to polynomial, which is f2. The degree of this polynomial is 3 because the highest power in my equation is 3. Now I fill in the coefficients and the constant. The coefficient of x cubed is simply 1. The coefficient of x squared is minus 6. Then the coefficient of x is 5. And I have the constant to be 12. So I execute again, having 3 solutions. The first solution is 4, the second is 3, and the last solution is -1. So I have x1 is equal to 4, and x2 is equal to 3, and I have the third solution to be equal to -1. So I have 3 solutions for this cubic equation.